It said to put her on diagonally. It's a her. She's my child. We have birthed this together. That's weird, because I date your brother. What? What
happened?
does not want recognition? Fluttershy is a treat. Got it. We love you. Oh, did Benji modify me mode? Is that what
Okay,
it
I
is?
have to put this back here. I need somebody to watch your dog, please.
Jenny, out. Out of kitchen. Go. Out.
I smell good cheese.
I need to make this stop eating.
Yeah, I need to pull it out of the oven.
Okay. Let me check the bread if it's ready to go in.
Alright, I'm calling it. Smells like coffee.
Oh, it's gonna rise for another 45 minutes. Yeah, we did get off on our timing. I forgot about that rising.
Yeah.
Well, we can start.
The chicken just goes in the oven from now.
Right.
So,
We got a half hour to kill, guys. What you want? What we gonna do?
I guess we can start the soup so that it's like hot. Because last time it wasn't that hot.
We can start. Yeah, it's just gotta cook.
Star says hardball.
Yep. I'm gonna pick a question for you as soon as I get finished with this. We have to cover loosely with cling film and then let her sit. And she's gonna get bigger.
She gonna get thick.
She's gonna be super extra thick. With 2 Q's and a UE at the end. Gonna be thick. Cover loosely.
This stays in here to cool. This probably collapsed a little.
Hey Google, set a timer for 45 minutes.
Oh.
It's 45
It's still
minutes,
really pretty.
and we're starting now.
Might as well cook the chicken in the soup.
But we kind of wanted to eat
You want the bread with the soup, kinda.
and the chicken.
Yeah. We can make the.
And I mean, all the chicken does is.
we could actually make the golden syrup.
Yeah, it takes 2 hours though. So the deal with the chicken is it literally just goes from the marinating bag onto a tray and into the oven.
Yeah,
It's not like there's much to do. The camera is currently set at ash height.
Ben, do a doodle.
Dean, it'll be your timer too. You can keep up with us.
What's the
It'll be. You'll let us know in case we don't hear
It's
it.
Ruby.
Of what?
Wait, who did what?
Ruby.
Okay.
Who did what?
Star wants a doodle of Ruby.
Of Ruby. Okay.
Ginny
We've got
needs
2,
to go
so if
this
you want
way
to do
now.
it on the second one.
Ginny's focusing.
Yeah, do it on the second one.
I know.
20 minutes as well, and check the bread. Your house is probably hot as fuck because of the oven being on.
One says listen to Dean.
That could be a thing.
Listen to Dean.
Hey Google, set a timer for 20
Stop.
minutes.
No. Go
Setting
that way.
timer for 20 minutes. And
Think-
that's starting now.
Thank you.
Did you ask the Starlight question?
No, I didn't. We gotta do. I thought it was just sneaky on the super hard deck.
Boyne says that's a good one.
It is a good one.
Dean says, personal demon? His name is Brendan, but he's hot, so...
Yeah. Good reason. Like, how hot?
I like the amount of effort going into Ben's drawing versus my drawing. But to be honest, my drawing's pretty cute, so...
Your drawing's very cute. Do you want to try this? Never mind, you won't like it. Don't try it.
Wait, what personal demon I like or carry around?
What personal demon? I come up here. What
If you'd rather
personal
not answer,
demon
Star, I have a good answer for this.
are you in denial of? Adzu has a good answer.
But if Star is too uncomfortable to answer, he doesn't have to, and Boyne can take the question.
I don't know. We've never had that happen before.
Yeah, but
who
that's
was
a
this?
real personal question.
Yeah, who was this?
Star.
Starline. What? Who redeemed the drawing? Was also Starline. Starline's got a lot of points.
Starline's all here.
That is fair.
Yay! It's the doggo.
It's the Ruber.
See, beautiful.
Oh wait.
And you know how you can tell the difference between her and Ginny is because Ginny's whole chin is white.
Yeah.
That's the only way.
So here's what's going in chat. Star said, in denial of, question mark, can you give me a fake example? And Dean goes, crippling sense of self-worth, of low self-worth, making jokes to cover aforementioned crippling self of low self-worth. Sense of low self-worth. We love
Possibly
you,
also
Dean.
drinking way too much to pretend it's not there.
We love you, Dean.
You get this.
Even though
This is
even though you're
good. That
new.
feels a little real, but
By the way, this is
Everybody's welcome. Oh my.
but that's fine. You're welcome to tell us whatever you want. Also,
That's from the Christmas party, isn't it?
Yo.
what?
Oh my god, that's an awful picture.
I know, right?
You can show stream.
We gotta show stream. This is the picture that Benji used for reference. Please pay attention to the person holding Ruby.
And please know how drunk and gone she was. Dean said, oh wait, you wanted fake examples. Cough. Boy, that fucking emote is so cute.
Which one? Let me see.
It's one of the Valentine's ones.
Oh,
They're permanent.
They're permanent.
She's judging you.
It's so cute.
Alright, that's been up there long enough.
Always
I
watching.
don't remember that picture being taken. I was very gone.
She was great. She was not Southern like she was on the first stream.
Iconic.
And she wasn't Ethel like she was on the second stream, but she was on the floor.
I don't give any shits in the world.
Especially at the Christmas
Yeah.
party.
Yeah.
She came up and hugged my mom, and both of you were crying and laughing. It was adorable, and I have a photo of it.
At some point, she was sitting in a chair, and I came up and just like laid on her.
At some point, I was sitting on the ground.
Yeah, you were.
I was trying to photobomb my uncle.
Yeah.
Yep.
You don't even like your uncle.
That's why you were photobombing him.
I was talking to my cousins, who I can't talk to.
Oh,
Your
our
cousins
cousins,
are okay.
our cousins were super chatty.
They're fine.
Yes,
they were
they're
good.
really good.
But here's the thing.
That was like the best they've been.
I can't talk to them.
We still have a standing offer from Mikey and Jess to go watch The Mandalorian with them.
Do it. Text them.
When?
Sunday,
We have plans every night ever.
Sunday night. We don't have family dinner. Oh, it's Sunday afternoon. You've got your
I got a
brunch thing.
stream. Yeah, I'm going to my friend's house.
That's true.
I'm going. Actually, so
if you don't
Well,
want
I
to
could,
share your demon star, that's cool. It's a safe place here, and the rest of us will share ours.
oh,
Yo.
everybody's sharing their demons. Now I gotta think about mine. What's my demon that I'm in denial of? Because I'm pretty open about my demons.
She's like, I don't know.
Oh no, my bra is weird. I'm trying to figure it out.
Do you need to go adjust it?
No, I forgot which bra this was. It's got like a little, between here and here, it's got like a little, like, cross bit. And I forgot what that was. I was really confused as to why
I
there's
got a
like
lot of flour under my nails and I can't fix it because of my nails.
Star
That's a
said,
problem.
does this count? I always say I'm going to get a gym, but I never do.
You go to karate like every day.
No. Not karate.
Karate.
Not karate.
Karate!
There you go.
And hit
Did you
myself in the
hit
face.
so
Does
you
that
hit
count?
yourself in the yes.
No.
Ow.
Going to get a gym. I'm guessing, like, get a gym.
What does
Is
that
it
mean?
buy
Like
a gym?
like a Pokemon?
Only Tuesday nights right now.
Adzu says, no, one of my cousins is like that as well. She won't talk to us for whatever reason. It's been like that forever. But with her friends, she's an entirely different human. And it's telling about where she found support and family. And I supported 100%. Aww. Because school. Because you got to go to school.
Fluttershy, my demon, is anyone who isn't a creation of my own imagination. Like, I use my general bossiness to try to make sense of the world, not completely mad, or how I use cleaning to ignore the creepy sense of dread that comes from bills that are sitting on the counter. No, like, go to a
Gym. What do I do?
I'm apparently I'm like, me and Dean are like...
Yeah, you guys are like the same person.
Hi, Dean. I'm you, apparently.
Yeah. Can just barely see your fingertips.
No, she's just gonna
I don't
try.
have fingernails right now.
She's just trying to get the flower out from under her.
I don't have fingernails. Ashley, they're gone to shit. IDK, everyone share their demons.
Something emotional. Something in the.
Hi.
Hi. It's not you.
I know. You looked over at me and I was like, hi.
Hit myself in the face.
Oh, now we're set. Okay, happy questions.
That's fair. Let's be happy. Let's do a happy question for free so we can be happy.
Those are the ones that we always drink on.
That's fair, actually. We've drank more out of this deck than the other ones. I'll pick a good one. Okay, this is a good one. So everybody needs to answer this about whoever they want to answer this about.
I'm scared.
This is the happy hour questions. We're gonna lift the mood while we wait for our bread to lift itself. What is something you love about me that other people don't understand at all? I love about Jay that she doesn't count me as people, even though she hasn't told me she doesn't count me as people, because we've spent many, 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 many days together in a row, and she's not gotten sick of me. And she's mostly an introvert.
We've had this conversation. I'm an extrovert with social anxiety.
But you also need to get away from people sometimes, which is an introvert thing. And we spent 8 solid days
Omnivore?
together.
That's
Omnivore!
That's
You
true.
eat everyone.
We spent 8 days together, and I was like, no, I don't want to go home.
Yeah, we were
Okay,
both
okay.
like, this is sad. Let's
No,
not
we did
listen
this
to
last
music. Did we?
I thought we complimented each other last
I think we complimented each
because
other.
it was National Compliment Day.
We can do a slightly different one if that's. We can do that.
Holy fuck, I'm an extrovert, but I have anxiety. Big mood. See?
Was that Dean?
We're the same
You're the same.
person.
I think you guys just became best friends.
Atsu, you can totally post your demon. Do it. We live to fuck each other up.
Y'all,
Yeah, we do. I feed on emotions. I'm like a vampire.
Literally, one of
This
the
is accurate.
vampires in What We Do in the Shadows is an emotional.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you're a vampire of the White Court.
Yeah, I'm that.
The Dresden Files.
Oh.
The White Court
We need
vampires,
to bump
they
the
feed
oven
off
up, by the way, to
emotions.
425.
Hey Google. Next. Okay, this is a good one. This is a really good one for a stream. Everyone ready? 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 I'm really excited about. Oh wait, ads are sharing their demons. We're doing this in curse.
Yep.
I don't carry around the demon of my toxic closeted self who projected their pain onto other people. At least I've grown from it, and I've reconciled with people who were still hurt by my actions as recently as last year, but I still couldn't bring myself to give them all the closure they deserved. Ooh.
Does that include
That's a good-
all the guys?
Ooh, Dean, that's a good question too. I don't want to do that to you guys. I love you guys. Oh, Starlion, I love you too. Dean says, oh, what is a compliment someone has given you that you brushed off but secretly are happy that you got?
Atsu Point, thank you for sharing with us. We love you. And
We do
support
love
you.
We
support
love all of you.
Yeah.
This is why we share all of our deepest, darkest secrets with you guys on stream.
A compliment that I've gotten that
That you brushed off but are secretly happy about.
Chris, so we were having a big staff meeting for 8-bit.
This is Minnesota Taz.
When I sent my whole big list of stuff and like randomly
Yeah,
and everything.
exclamation point 8-bit.
And
I gotta plug it. I'm an ambassador now.
Chris goes, Jay, that was a good that was a well-run meeting.
That's a really big compliment
Yeah,
from him.
and I just kind of went like, thanks. And then
then you like
that was a
treasured
big
it.
deal.
Yeah.
Oh my
What?
god.
What now?
Oh my god.
What?
What? What just happened?
I need to sit down.
What is that? 10,000 bits
What?
from Fluttershy?
Fluttershy!
I need
Wait,
to sit
total?
down. I'm having
Or they
emotions.
just donated?
They just donated.
They just donated. We love you.
Fluttershy!
Thank you.
You're a wonderful human being. /
Huge exposition for the love of my fellow introverts.
Aww. We feel.
Warren said no, that's separate from the men I use, lol.
Ah.
OMG, Fluttershy. Hype, hype, hype. Hype, hype, hype.
Hype!
Ah!
Hype!
We love you, Fluttershy. Are you okay?
I'm gonna cry.
Oh,
I'm having emotions. Don't look.
The feels.
Don't look. I'm having feels. Go away.
She's actually-
Everyone, leave me alone in this corner.
Oh goodness, she's having some feels, everyone.
Go away.
This is a real tender moment here.
Go away.
You having the
Are
feels?
you gonna share?
She's gonna.
Are you gonna share?
What?
Are you gonna share?
About my feels? No.
Can I see the? I'm just
Oh, yeah.
Get the doggos to
Remy!
come love. Remy!
Remy,
come
come!
here.
Mommy's crying.
Remy, Mama needs love. Mama needs you. Nope.
Thank you, Flutter.
Flutter, you're amazing.
Remy, come. Hi, baby.
She brought her bone with her.
She did. Remy, Mama's crying. You gotta lick it. Okay, bye.
Oh goodness.
Thank you, Flutter.
You know what? Sharing your emotions is an act of revolution because we're told that they aren't for public. That's from Dean. Remy.
Oh, I have emotions a lot.
Remy, get back in here.
I don't usually cry.
Oh, Remy, I wasn't talking. Come here, Remy. Come
Oh,
here.
she's all puffed up. Why is she puffed up?
She's got her
Oh
bone.
my god!
You're all for bone.
Her
so-
entire back is puffed.
Can I put it in my salt pocket? I'm gonna put it in my salt pocket. It'll be okay. Thank you. No, you can't have my drink. Go away, Jeannie. Hi, baby. Mama's having feels. Thank you.
So you keep on keeping on, you beautiful diamond, you. Oh.
Aww.
Okay.
Thank you. Remy,
She's running away.
I put her bone in my salt pocket and she ran away.
Dino has a valid question.
You have okay, I'm about questions. I'm
Is-
having feels.
Is that a Rhodesian Ridgeback?
No,
No.
she's an American dingo.
She's an American dingo, otherwise known as the Carolina dog.
And fun fact, exclamation point, doggo1 was just used by Star. On paper, Remy's owner is Benji, who is me, but she is Ash's
She's my dog. And this is his dog. So this was supposed to be my puppy. I got Ginny as a puppy. We picked each other at the pound. We sat in the little room and I was like, she was sitting in my legs and I was like, do you want to be my puppy? And she looked up and gave me kisses and I was like, I'm never putting you down again.
Dean asks, or I didn't know that was a thing. Is that a hound of some sort?
Ginny?
I
Ginny's
think-
a hound.
Remy
but
she's the only dog native to North America.
She is the only dog considered a wild breed.
Their official name is Carolina Dog.
If you look in my panels, I have a link to the Saving Carolina Dogs webpage, which gives you a whole bunch more information about them if you're interested. But she's the only breed of dog that is native to North America. She's actually a wild dog that's probably born in the wild. So she's probably feral. We got her as a puppy.
She likes to touch boobs.
She does. She likes to jump up on you and touch your boobs and lick your nose.
This is Remy.
Hey Google,
She is a sweet little dingo.
how much more time on the timer?
You have 2 timers. The 20-minute timer is running with 2 minutes and 32 seconds to go, and the 45-minute
So
timer
you
is
wanna look
running
at
with 26 minutes.
Oh my god,
and
she looks
19
like a
seconds.
fashion model.
She is.
Fluttershy said, "Aww."
Yes, this is our dingo.
We lucked out. We got both of these girls as puppies, and they are beautiful dogs.
Yeah, and they're very well.
Has she doubled?
Well,
She fit.
yeah, she has
She
double.
thick?
Oh.
thick.
She real
We're gonna
thick.
have so much bread, you guys.
I am so excited about this. I'm really hungry. Can you cut kisses?
Alright, do we want to get the chicken ready then to go in?
Yeah.
After all of that emotional we've had so many emotions here tonight,
So
folks.
much emotion. What's the big message?
Just no. This is
Answer to Dean's question.
This is so as he's answering Dean's question, but your exclamation point doggo 2 for Ginny.
Yeah.
It's supposed to say Ginny's favorite treat is jerky of any kind or bacon. She loves bacon. Instead, it says Ginny's favorite treat is jerky of any kid.
Also accurate. She does not like
Dan's
children.
message say?
Dean, okay, so real quick, Dean says poke it and see if it has an impression. As you says, answer to Dean's question. So the first time I went to Dr. Mikachu's chat, I commented and she struck up a conversation with me because she remembered me being supportive of mental health during Dish's Doki Doki stream.
Aww.
She basically said a lot of nice things about my behavior then, and said I was always welcome in her chat. I played it down, but my heart was really happy.
Aww. That's amazing.
As you never apologize for novels in our chat.
That's amazing. We love novels. We love getting to know people. That's why we do AYAs. Because I don't, like, you guys can ask me whatever question. I'm probably going to answer it anyways. Like, if you put it in stream, I'm going to answer. I don't need an AMA. But I want to get to know you guys. So that's why we do AYA.
Yeah.
How are we doing this chicken?
We're going to put it in that pan that you had earlier that you tried to put the bread in. There you go. I have to stand up. Now I'm still feeling
You can.
I'm still having feels.
You to help me with the
I
chicken
can
then.
tell you're feeling feels. I can help.
It's not even alcohol. It's just feels.
I know.
Deep in here, in my heart pocket.
Oh, the hard pocket.
In
What?
my heart pocket.
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. How much? Like, we'll figure that out. later.
Yeah. I just remembered.
I know, it's in my head. We're going to set it up to do
To
automatic.
roast the chicken, preheat the
Can you
oven.
pop?
We're doing.
Good girl. Hey, Google. Stop.
Dino says, tell us about your compliment moment, y'all.
We need to line this with aluminum foil and set a rack over the foil. You might need a different.
No, we got a big rack that'll fit over it.
It needs to fit in the bottom of this.
Oh. Then we need like a regular.
Well, I guess does it
A regular pan.
I think it's
We
one.
have
set a
the.
rack over the? I think it's like when you roast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
We have these pans. This one here.
It's
Goes with
just-
those silver pans. Yeah, that
Small,
one.
big rack.
Goes with those silver pans.
Let's do that.
That sounds right. My compliment moment.
You were telling me about one of those moments you had at your work.
At work.
Yeah, it was one of your work-related things where someone gave you this like talked you up a lot, and then you were on the phone and you're like, I was like, thank you very much, but inside I was like, ah!
Bye, Dean.
Bye, Dean.
Good night, Dean. We'll miss you.
Yeah, I think it's like this.
Yeah.
Who was? Do you remember who said it or what it was about?
I don't know. It was.
Good enough. It's just to catch like
Yeah.
turbos.
Was it recently?
It was a couple, like within the past
Okay.
couple months. Ginny, no, you can't have the AMF.
Oh, was it Paul? It was Paul.
I think it was Paul.
That was a good. Okay, so Paul is the.
Yep.
So I'm a supervisor at my company, and then my supervisor is over the eastern half. The eastern half of
Yeah,
North
where's,
Carolina.
It's in the. Sorry. What?
And
Talking
then
over you.
her supervisor there's Annie and Paul are her supervisors, and they are over the whole entire state of North Carolina.
So uncover the loaf, brush with olive oil, then bake.
Let her do the chicken first, because the bread doesn't
I'm
make as
just.
long as
She
I'm
asked
trying
me
to
what it-
figure out.
Yeah.
I was
30 to
asked.
30 to 35 minutes.
Yeah, and the chicken's 45 to an hour.
Yeah.
So, and so Annie and Paul are her supervisors, so they're two above me. And Paul was in our office one day, and he stopped by my office, and he was like, made time to stop and peek in my door and was like, hey, I just want you to know that you're doing a really great job. And it was a day like that I was like so behind, and I was like, I'm never gonna catch up, and I was feeling like a terrible supervisor, and like I hadn't done a good job with my staff, and I couldn't help them, because I feel really bad when I can't help my staff because I'm too busy, and like I know they need help because they're just as busy. And so he stopped by and he was like, I just want you to know that you're doing a really great job. And I was like, thank you. And I like kind of didn't like feel it at the moment, but then the more that I thought about it, I was like, that means a lot for somebody at that level of leadership to stop by and make the time to say you're doing a great job. That like I'm making an impact. Felt really cool.
You're breathtaking.
Woo!
Oh,
Benji, what's yours?
these pieces are gonna all take very different times to cook, I feel like.
Yeah.
The most recent one that I can think of is probably, actually it was
Should we put the
earlier
big ones
this
on the
week.
outside? And the little ones in the middle?
What do you mean?
Doesn't the outside cook faster than the middle?
They're on the outside.
But like one on each outside and then put this little guy in the middle.
I still have another piece in
So
there.
I think,
Oh.
what was it? So earlier this week, so I work as a webmaster slash photographer slash videographer slash social media manager slash marketing slash. I do a lot of stuff for the company I work for right now. And one of the things I've been pushing a lot lately is our YouTube channel and getting that all going and making sure that it's doing well. So I was explaining some details of the latest video that we posted and what the importance of it was and all that. And the CFO slash co-owner,
She's wet.
she was really like she had a lot of stuff where she'd come to me and say, no, I don't think we should do that because I don't think that's exactly the right thing we want to do. But over the past week and a half, about 3/4 of the ideas that I've been pushing for, she's come up and said, I think we should do this. And it makes me feel really happy. At first I was kind of grumpy because I was like, well, I was saying this like 6 months ago. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized it's she, and Ash made me realize it, and that made me take some time and actually think about it. But I
I am
realized,
the pointer outer of things.
yes, that it made me feel
Should probably
really
take that
good
name out,
that
huh?
that helped and
There's
that
7
making
minutes
a
to the third
difference
door
in the
down.
company, because we're a small company, but we
The
are
other
kind
one
of
of those
competing
is
with a
out
lot of
already.
really big
Okay.
companies, and we're
Ginny
actually
probably
holding
stole
our
it.
own.
Just put the chicken in,
So
and then I'll
anything
put
I
this.
do
I
to
need
make customers better
a
and
flat
improve
one
the
under where
situation
that is.
makes me feel good.
Do we want this
The
on
fact
top
that
or the bottom?
that I'm doing enough of a difference to make changes.
Right,
The bread still.
Is it gonna
I've
fit
only
on the
been there
bottom?
for like 7-8 months.
Probably.
Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, it's good.
And Dean has just posted
Where are you putting
his,
that?
or theirs.
Right here, I need a flat one though.
So, this is Dean's moment.
Yes,
Dean or Dean?
Dean.
Okay.
Damn it.
That's right. Oh, here's the other one.
Okay. Dean's was decades ago. I was in Ecuador just before the 3-week Galapagos Island tour. I had just come back from the islands, and we were in Quito the night before leaving to the
Can you just
USA.
stir this?
I was at the
We
bar
need to
and
turn it
ordering
on.
drinks for me and
Oh.
my friends. The bartender got them and then wanted to know where the city I live
It's
in.
gotta boil first.
Mind you, Spanish is my fourth language.
It's
Tamil,
what language?
Fourth.
Fourth. Yeah.
Okay.
Fourth language. Tamil and Hindi being 1
Tamil.
and 2. Tamil?
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 Tamil or Tamil?
I thought it was Tamil. I'm
I think
sorry.
it's Tamil. I think. I don't know. We're pronouncing it wrong. We
And
apologize.
English being the third. I had learned some Spanish in high school, but picked up most of my Spanish in Ecuador itself. They thought I sounded like a native. Dean, that's amazing.
That is really cool.
That is really cool. That
And-
that would be a compliment to me too.
And I
I
do
love
agree.
local language.
When you
Real.
feel your contribution actually does something, it really is.
Whoa, she big. Yeah, we don't need 45 minutes on this girl. She ready.
That's really impressive that you know.
That's
40
really,
minutes.
really cool.
I know 1 and like a
Do you want to put it
10th.
in now?
Yeah, let's wait because this
As
goes
he
for an
says-
hour, right? So do a kitchen timer.
As he says,
just
I'm
hold it
glad your
down.
ideas are being implemented. You should feel proud of that. And GG on learning 4 languages, and I thought 2 was hard. 2 is hard, but as you learn more, you get there faster. That makes sense.
Last night, Dylan and I agreed that we're gonna for real learn Spanish. So I have a month to use apps or books or websites or whatever I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna, beginning of March, we're gonna start watching a show together in Spanish.
Cool. Have you decided what show?
No. We're debating because I kind of want to watch that telenovela that my grandmother told me to watch. But he can't get Hulu, so I don't know if it's on Netflix. We have
Can
to
you
figure
get
that.
Netflix?
Can he get a VPN?
If you can get Netflix.
No, that's the issue
You know what you could
with
watch?
Hulu. He can get Netflix though. What?
You could watch Witcher. With
In Spanish?
In Spanish.
Dude, we're gonna watch. I'm gonna text him right. Remy, come.
You should watch Coco.
Remy,